What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Journey with Jen and Drew video, day 2 here in Panama. And today is going to be dedicated to a tour of the Airbnb, and we will also be going to the market.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go to the market. So if you haven't seen our last video, we did an insane 24-hour travel day. We left to go to the airport at 3 p.m. our time, which I guess 25 hours because of the time change. But we finally got some sleep and we're feeling so much better today, and we're refreshed, and we're in our beautiful Airbnb. Which would you like to see?
I would love to see.
Alright.
These chairs are horrible. They just make so much noise. Anyway, we're gonna show you around and not make as much noise.
Yeah, let's show you.
Oh my god, it's horrible.
Do you hear my indoor shoes? I have to take them off for the for the tour. But welcome to our Airbnb in Panama City. Come on in. So since our last big travels were in a rooftop tent, Andrew and I can't even begin to describe how amazing it is to have a home base right now. It's been so relaxing and amazing, and we're very lucky to have found this Airbnb. It's so homey and we love it. But the reason why we chose this one Airbnb is the view, and I'll show you. So exciting! Ta-da! Look how incredible this view is.
This view is absolutely spectacular. The only thing is when we have the windows wide open, like you see it now, is the heat from the outside starts to warm up the inside of this place. But man, it is beautiful. And right now, the tide is low, so it looks really dry. But in the morning and at nighttime, it's full of water. But man, this view is unreal. This is such a cool Airbnb.
So it's already 12:21 Panama time, but most of our morning has seriously been looking at this view. And we just gotta get lost in it because there's so much going on, and we're high enough to where the city doesn't sound loud. This is just so far an awesome Airbnb. But okay, everywhere else, we have a nice table to actually sit and do work on, so we don't have to always rely on coffee shops, which is amazing. A very, very comfortable couch to relax on. We have this coffee bar where you can also do work or maybe have breakfast or drink coffee. And through here is our lovely kitchen. Andrew and I plan on really taking this month in this Airbnb to try to cook and be healthy and try new recipes, hopefully some Panama recipes too. You know, for the sake of the budget and for the sake of gut health. So we're really excited about that, and there's a lot in this kitchen. All right, and through here, this is just the main entranceway. And this is our gorgeous bedroom. This bed is so incredibly comfy, and I'm not just saying that because, you know, we pulled an all-nighter and passed out at 6 p.m. It is actually incredible. And look, we have the same view in our bedroom. What's kind of crazy about this Airbnb though is our bathroom. We have a huge shower and an even bigger closet. So we took the time yesterday to unpack and get organized, and it's really starting to feel like home. So that's really it. This is our Airbnb. It already feels like home even though we've been here for one night, and we're really excited to be here in the city for the next month. Do you hear that? That's our neighbor. We also are learning Spanish, so, you know, we might become friends with our neighbor. What's cooking? Good looking? So honestly, I don't remember what we said in our last video because, first of all, we haven't edited it yet, and we were delusional.
We did a lot of research on Central America and the different countries, and we felt that Panama was the perfect starting point, especially Panama City. It's a bigger city, it's very safe.
There's a lot to do, and there's a lot nearby to do. So we're gonna try to do as much as we can in this 1 month, but something that we're really excited about doing that starts on Monday is we are gonna be doing an immersion program.
Yep.
We're just no way near fluent yet. We did study abroad in Madrid together for 5 months, which really strengthened those skills, but that was 3 years ago.
Yeah.
So we're going to be going to a school and learning more, and we're excited to show you what that experience is like.
So if you're new and from Panama, you never know, subscribe, like the video, because hopefully by the end of that 1 week, we will be very confident in our Spanish and actually know a lot more than well, I hope we know a lot more than we know now.
Oh, we will. Like, I'm already better today than I was 2 days ago.
I learned like 3 or 4 new verbs yesterday, so that's cool. Don't ask.
Anyways, I think we're gonna go grocery shopping now, so.
Come on, let's see what it's like.
Mask mandate everywhere. Everyone wears masks, even outside. So, vámonos. Today feels really good out. It's, oh my God, it's stuck on my earring. There's clouds covering the sun, so there's shade, so I could walk around for a while. Tenemos mucho.
Tenemos un hefty bolsa.
Oh yeah. Check those bad boys out.
Jenna hates these flip-flops with a passion. She just thinks it would be better if I brought my sandals. And I think she's right. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I should have packed these. But it is what it is.
Oh, I just stepped and almost fell with the eggs. Oh, and the camera. So pretty.
Woo. Glasses. Hi, Dios. Just got a killer pump. That was fun.
Okay. You look absolutely insane.
You know what? We're gonna move this back in a second.
All right, we don't know if food in Panama is just absolutely expensive or if we're in just an expensive part of the city, because we are in like the businessy area. But we were also told by a friend of mine, he was like, be careful on buying food because it's very expensive.
Yeah, so we were like, okay, well, let's go to the grocery. Well, the grocery is expensive, but this is the first grocery that we're going to, and it does say specialty product market. I don't know. We don't really know. We're gonna do our research in a little bit and see if it is just as expensive or not. But we'll show you what we got.
And that's dinner.
That doesn't.
That's like emergencies.
Imagine we just pulled out like 10 of these and called it a day.
Cilantro, wraps, lechuga,
Lettuce.
y una bolsa, even though she said bolse.
¿Dónde están los huevos?
Y los huevos grandes.
That was our shopping trip.
We're gonna make nice little, like, almost like a burrito wrap.
Yeah, it'll be like a black bean burrito.
A vegetarian one. So we're gonna take grocery shopping dia a dia because we do not want to waste food and we do not want to waste money.
Yeah.
And it's hot in here.
Yep.
Whew.
But we also want to experience the food culture here as well. So we will be doing that. We're gonna try to do the combination of both.
Yeah.
I know I look like a silhouette right now, but look at this view. This is genuinely unreal.
So we hope you enjoyed this tour of our Airbnb. It's only day 2 of being here in Panama, so we kind of took the day to relax and catch up. But tomorrow we're going out and we're gonna be meeting up with some fellow content creators, so that's super exciting. So stay tuned with us to see more of Panama and more of Central America later on. Thank you for watching.